Hello everyone. Today's our topic is method of string. Today is 14 July 2021. My name is Rameshwar Valera. Today's our discussing the method of string. Firstly, we discuss of string in Java. String is the sequence of character or bunch of the character in the specific object. And string is immutable. Two type of string: literal string and new keyword string. Now we discussing the method of string. Firstly, we discuss commonly used method in string. First is uh, length. Uh, the length of the length method of the string is to declare the length of the string or object. Means the specific example of the example is the string. We create a string with the name of Ram, and we call the length method in and the output is the 3, because the length of the Ram method is length of the Ram string is 3. Note that point the string is always start from 1, and index is always start from 0. Now we discuss the second string, the uppercase string. Uppercase string is the um, we use the uppercase string to the all the character of lowercase in string to convert the uppercase is the and second is a next is a lowercase string, lowercase method. Lowercase method is uh, directly vice versa of uppercase string. Uppercase method is the all the character inside the string is convert in lowercase method. Uh, Next is a char at point, means the point to specific index value. Means the we create a string with name of the hepshine, and the uh, call the char at index method, and index is 3. It's char at 3 index, and the output is and sys out the yes, means the output of the or example is f, means the in the hepshine string the uh, in the hepshine string uh, index number 3, sorry, yes, with the index number 3, yes is in hepshine string is the output of the or is string. Next is the code point at, uh, means the we create a abc string and in lowercase, and call the code point at method, and at the index 0, and output is the or example is 97 means the code point at means the um, output is a ASCII value, and the small a ASCII value is 97, and the code point before means the uh, we point the index at 1, and the code point for the index of 1, code point after is vice versa of code point index before. Next is compare to, is the compare the two method, compare the two method string lexicography, means the and the data type of the code point compared to is int. And concatenation, concat method. The next method is a concat method. We concat the two string in one string. Means we create a two string is a hep, and second string is a shine, and concat the string 1 to string 2, and the output is our output is a hep shine. And the data type of the concat string is a string. And the next is a end with and start with. End with means the we create two string. The first is a Pune, and second one is a ne means ne. And we call the end with method s2 end with s1 means the s means the s2 ends with s1 means the s2 method s1 method ends with s2 means the s2 method end the s2 method s1 method means the Pune is Pune ending is ne, and the output is true. Means the data type of the ends with is boolean. The next method is start with. The start with method is pointing the starting point. With the s2 method start with s1, or s1 method is start with s1 means the another method character are start with the first method. And the data type of the start with method is same as end with is boolean. The next one is index of. With the index of method is a data type is int. And the uh, specific inside in the string, the specific character are present in that string means the hip shine. And the uh, index of uh, index of h means the h is present in specific index. The output is 0. Next is replace means the replace the one character to another character. Replace one character in another character in all string. Means the hip shine with the uh, replace e into r means the in the hip shine the e keyword replaced with the r keyword. And the substring means the two type of substring. One is substring with the we call means the we call the specific substring, or the we call one string to up to end. With the substring is data type is string, and we call the substring to is the hip shine. We create a hip shine string and write the substring method. And in argument is 3 int 3 is the at the length of the 2 is the length. And the index, yes, 5 keyword. Greater than 5 keyword, we uh, print the string. And substring is a two type 3 and 4. We call 3 and 5. The specific length string is print greater than 3 and less than 5. And the next is substring. The start with end with होगा, replace with होगा, math length होगा, index होगा, गेट केयर होगा, कि गेट केयर भी होगा, इक्वल्स हाँ, नेक्स्ट मेथड इज इक्वल्स मेथड आर कंपेयर टू टू मेथड्स, compare one method to another method, there are same method. that's that's all to the commonly used method in string. Thank you.